How to fix Snapchat sound not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix the Snapchat sound not working in your device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat. Head over to your Play Store and search for Snapchat. In case you see update sign here instead of open, tap on update and update your Snapchat app. Now let's go ahead and tap onto settings. Scroll below to apps and search for Snapchat. Under usage, tap onto storage and clear the cache. Also be noted that if you delete the app's data, it will delete all of your snaps, chats, and your login history. If you would still like to continue, then tap on to delete. Now let's go ahead and restart our device. Once you are done restarting your device, go ahead and open up your Snapchat app and enter all your credentials, and that will fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will catch you up soon.